the girl he wants the pet dog. Let me get my phone. Be quiet, voice. Give me the cup. Give me the cup, Siri. Ding. Get you the cup, Siri. Get you the drink. Much better. Okay. Dad, I want a pet dog. Why you need a pet dog? Because I need a pet dog, please. Fine, I'll go to the PetSmart. Honey, no! Everyone gets scared. Yeah, I'm scared. I'll go. No. Oh my God. Act like this is the PetSmart. Okay, I'm here. Spider, no, it's so scary. Snake, ew, I hate snakes. Sister, nah. Which one did I gotta get? Maybe, do we have some over here? Do you want birds? Please bite me. Please bite me. Please bite me. Please bite me. No. Okay, what do you want? I want a dog. My daughter wants a pet dog. Okay, choose what you want. I want this one. Okay, you'll get this one. Here, go to the cash register. How much for this? Act like this is a PetSmart cash register, not toy store. Your total is $20. Here we go. Bye. Have a good day. You too. Okay. Okay, we are at home. Okay. Hey, I got you. Ruff. Oh no, I'm scared. Honey, I told you do not to buy the pet dog. Why did you buy the pet dog? Because she needed. What I gonna name? Maybe Terrence. Okay, maybe. Come on, Terrence. Do you want to play fetch? Ruff. No! See, I told you cannot buy him. Do you understand? No, I need to buy him because he needs the pet dog. She doesn't buy it when he was 3 years old, and now she's 15. Whatever, I done. Hug. I think my voice was bad. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Go play with the pet dog. Okay. Let me see. Ew, you smell like poop. You smell like rotting eggs. You need to take a hot bath. Act like this is a soap. I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, Siri, give me the drink. Get you a drink. Much better. Okay, let me go watch TV. I don't know what's your problem. Because you bring the part of that the pet dog. Whatever. Whatever, I just done. Roof, 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 roof. Jumps. Roof, 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 roof. What's wrong? Oh no, I cannot let you on the streets. You're the dog. Get out. Okay. Wait, where's the pet dog? Where's Terrence? Terrence, are you hiding? Terrence? 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 Oh no! Terrence is missing. What? Yeah! Terrence is missing. Oh my god, we're going to look for her. Hello. No, you cannot get the dog food, boy. Well, this is not the dog food, boy. Whatever. Sorry, you can't have it. Shoot! Get out! Shoot! The strangers still come. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh, where is it? Ruff. 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 Wait, you want the food? Okay, come with me. What do you want? That one? Okay. You want to be my pet? Okay, come on, let's go. They go to the house. They go to apartment, hotel. Okay, we're here. Okay, I live in the second floor. and Dad. Okay, I'll be right back. Why do you knock? Because you lock. Oh, okay. Come inside. And who's that? It's a pet dog. Eric! You cannot have a pet dog. No pets allowed in the hotel. But it's true, please. No. I'm sorry. It's okay. Go. Just go. Please go. My mom will never keep him. Do you hear me? Go! Did you put him away? Yeah. Perfect. Come on. It's dinner. Oh. Yeah. Where's the pet dog? Oh no. Oops. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh no, oh no. I lost my pet dog. It's okay. Come on, let's go find her. She's over there. Okay, let's go find him. Let's go get him a shot. Let's go get him this. Be safe. I am. Drink this. Act like she died. Put the bad dog in there. Let's go fix this. There we go. We had to make the dog monster. Oh no, she's not there. This is not fair. Oh no, we're going to find her. Hey, what are you doing in here? Yeah. Hot cool. Yeah. That's what you get. Yeah. Oh no! Oh no! Take that. Roar! Roar! Ah! Ah! Roar! We made it! What's going to be your pet? Yeah! Yeah! Who's that? Hey? Yes, it's me. Come in the secret room. Okay. Wait, what is it? You have to press one button. It's over there. Then lift this thing. Oh, okay, let's go. Oh my god! Take that! Wait, what? No! Ooh. No! Come on, Pat Dog. Ruff, ruff. Wake up. We got the pet dog! Yay! Let's go home! Let's go home! Oh. I'm sorry to yelling at you, dog. Ruff, ruff. Let's go. I love you, dog. Ruff, ruff. Mwah.